What is up, YouTube? Now, if you are anything like me, you're always worried about how to get traffic to your offers, to things that you want to sell online. Okay, I get it. It's really, really hard, especially if you don't have a built-in buyer list. How do you start building up traffic? Well, my buddy Brian, he's all about doing viral traffic, and this newest thing is just really, it blew my mind when I saw this because this is such a brilliant concept and it's so easy to do. It literally does take 60 seconds and you're going to start seeing traffic pretty quickly and it's going to snowball on you very, very fast. I'll tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of 60-second traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me by Brian Neal over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. The crappy frozen pizza I just had for lunch is still making my stomach turn. I don't know why I bother with frozen pizza. I know why, because it's Passover, and I was having kosher for Passover pizza, which is pretty awful stuff. But anyhow, seriously, yeah, there is such a thing as kosher for Passover pizza. In case you're wondering, Passover, we don't eat bread. They have special bread that's made for Passover. It's really disgusting, though. So anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? You know, my stomach is turning as is. I don't need to hear you complaining. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it to my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every day also, but I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. Who could? Anyhow, if you aren't, then make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Thank you, subscribe. Doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's go take a look at this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for 60-second traffic. Now, I know you've probably heard a million offers. Oh, yeah, 60 seconds, push a couple buttons, boop, 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 and it's done. Okay, now, I'm not going to tell you that you're going to spend 60 seconds on this and see millions of people suddenly visiting your pages. That's not going to happen. But it does take less than 60 seconds. And within a couple of weeks, you will start seeing like significant numbers of new visitors because it is designed to go viral. It's a really, really cool method, which specifically gets other people to share your ads because they then to get share their own ads. It's an old take. It's a new take on an old method, and it's really, really cool. I'm going to show you how to use it in just a second. I'll show you the members area. It's super simple to use. What I do want to tell you about, though, is my custom bonus, because as always, I have one of the best custom bonuses around. So here's the deal. I have two different courses on how to create these kinds of ads that you're going to need for 60-second traffic using free software. Okay, completely free software, very easy to use. I'm going to give you both of those courses. These are full courses, not just one video. These are full, like, 10 video courses that teach you everything you need to know about it completely for free. Free stuff all around, stuff you probably haven't heard of, and I have not shared this stuff in ages. I have not given it away to too many people, so this is going to be really cool stuff. You're going to really like this stuff a lot. You're going to get it completely for free from me as the bonus, on top of a bunch of stuff that Brian is giving away also that I'll list it down below. You can take a look at the list, see the stuff that Brian is giving away, but this is something just for me that nobody else is going to give to you. Now, pick up any upgrade to 60-second traffic, and I'm going to do something that is completely unprecedented. I am going to give you the right to give away as PLR my very own Graphics Supremacy course. Okay, that's the full course with the 10 videos. You're going to be able to give it away as PLR. when you pick up 60-second traffic. You do not have the right to give it away for free, though. You have to sell it. Okay, it has to be sold for at least $10. So you're going to have PLR to it. You can put your own name on it, but the rule is going to be that you have to sell for at least $10. That's what I sell it for. I don't want you undercutting me and selling it for less than I sell it for. So you do have to sell it for at least $10, but you get to put your own name on it, sell it, and if you want to put together any upgrades of your own, you only get the front end. Obviously, if you want to put together any upgrades of your own, you're welcome to put together your own upgrades and go ahead and sell those as well. You may not use it as a launch on Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank. So, don't think this is an easy way to create your own product that you're going to launch. No, you're not allowed to use it as a launch. You can sell it on your own website. Sell it to your list if you have a list, or build a list using 60-second traffic. You can make money off of it very, very easily. So you're going to be able to use Graphics Supremacy as a PLR product. I'll give you the links to all the videos, okay, and I'm also going to give you the links for downloading the ebook covers that come with Graphics Supremacy. You don't get the bonuses with Graphics Supremacy. You just get the main product, and you're able to use PLR on it. You do have to charge at least $10. I actually think I charge $10.95 for it, so you can undercut me a little bit, but $10 is the minimum. But you will get PLR, which is something I've never ever done before, because it was not ever intended to be PLR. But I'm going to give it to you to give away if you pick up any upgrade to 60-second traffic. Let's go and take a quick look at the members area. Let me show you how easy this is. This is the introduction video explaining to you how to use it. You can see here there are a few customization options. It's really not a big deal. Let me get this out of the way. I don't know if you guys can even see my thing from Zoom over here. And you probably just saw my spreadsheet from Excel for a second. For some reason it clicked and opened. Anyway, so basically you can see here you're basically able to customize over here how you use 60-second traffic, but it's super simple to understand. Basically, the concept is like this. You get to share an ad, okay? You can put in your own ad here, ad text plus link up to 110 characters, okay? You can select a category for your ad. You can advertise pretty much anything you like, all right? And then you can use regular ad or feature it, super feature it, depending on which upgrades you chose. And basically, the idea is like this. What's going to happen is that in order for someone else to be able to get free advertising using 60-second traffic, they have to pick one of the ads that are here and go ahead and share that on their feed. So they can share it on Twitter, they can share it on Facebook, Instagram, for example. Any of those things is tagged so that the ad goes back to 60-second traffic so that they know. And once that ad has been shared, then it unlocks the ability to be able to share your own ads. Okay, that's basically the concept, that you can share your own ads, and you can also give this away for free. People can actually go ahead and get 3 free ads. If you pay for it, like when you buy from me, you get 12 free ads. There's also an unlimited upgrade available. And again, if we pick up the unlimited upgrade, you also get PLR to Graphics Supremacy. And the idea is basically that it's designed to go viral because people are going to share someone else's ad in order to unlock their own free ads, and so on and so forth. And it's an easy thing to do. It's not the same thing as a lot of these other things. Like, I've seen traffic exchanges before where it's like, well, you visit my website, I'll visit your website. Okay, so you have 2 people visiting websites who have no intention of buying anything, and the only reason they're visiting is basically because they want to get the free stuff. They want free advertising, but everybody wants free advertising, so it doesn't do anything. But the difference is that over here, you're not doing an action where you're visiting somebody else's website in order to get people to visit your website, and nobody's actually doing anything with it. What you're doing is you're sharing an ad on your Facebook or your Twitter or your Instagram, and then basically in exchange for that, someone else is going to share your ad on their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So depending on how broad-based your ads are, you're going to get a lot of free traffic because people are going to be posting it in order to get their own free ads. And this actually does work. Unlike the traffic exchanges where people are just visiting a website in order to get, visitors to their website, over here, people are sharing ads. Somebody may actually want what you have to sell, as long as it's something that's not super specific. If you have an ad, for example, for, I don't know, how to find the secrets to the Amiga Pro. Okay, it's an old computer system that hasn't been made in years. I think it's an Amiga Pro. I don't remember anymore. I used to own an Amiga many years ago. Okay, you're probably not going to get a whole lot of people who are interested in learning the secrets of the Amiga Pro. I'm sorry to say, it was a wonderful computer back in its day. Probably not going to get a whole lot of people to do that. But let's say that you want to share an ad on how to lose weight. Okay, there's a lot of people want to learn how to lose weight, and you're going to get people visiting and clicking and buying what you have to sell. Okay, it's not, and people will share the ad in exchange for you sharing one of their ads, and so on and so forth. You get the idea, is that it makes it go viral. And you can also share the ad from 60-second traffic, which basically makes 60-second traffic go viral. But the basic concept here is that you are going to be able to get actual people visiting who are interested. And the people who take a look at it, typically the people are not people who are visiting because they want the free traffic. Okay, because when it gets posted on somebody's Facebook, that's all they have to do. They have to post on their own Facebook or their own Twitter or their own Instagram. They do not have to visit your website. So that's a big difference from traffic exchanges. Traffic exchanges, what it was that you go visit this person's website and someone else will visit your website in turn. Okay, so 2 people visit the website, neither of whom has any intention of buying anything, but now they're just posting it on their Facebook. And on their Facebook, they might have a few thousand friends. Somebody might be interested in weight loss, or somebody might be interested in making money online. Somebody might be interested in, I don't know, home insurance or life insurance, or whatever it is that you're selling, and you actually have real possibilities of getting real traffic. And yeah, it really does take 60 seconds. It's going to take more than one day. You're not going to post once and see, ooh, thousands of people visiting. No, but do it consistently for 60 seconds a day over, say, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and you are going to start seeing real results from this because it's going to go viral. People are going to be doing it. The thing that you got to do is just be consistent. But the nice thing is, it literally does take 60 seconds a day, as long as you're consistent with 60 seconds every single day. And everybody can spare 60 seconds, by the way. Everybody's got Facebook. Everybody's got Twitter. Everybody's got an Instagram. Okay, or almost everybody, anyhow. Go ahead and share these things on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Or TikTok, I think also maybe you could do it if you have a video ad, for example, or YouTube. Go ahead and share these ads and start seeing the traffic multiply. It will take a little bit of time. It's not going to be that you post it today and tomorrow you have 10 million visitors. No, but if you post it today and tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day, each day takes 60 seconds to do this. Literally just takes 60 seconds. Within a few weeks, you are going to start seeing results. Okay, because it does go viral. It does make a difference. Okay, and again, you're going to get my free course on how to make ads that look amazing completely for free. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
You the man!
Well, yeah, seriously, I mean, that was kind of obvious, right? You the man, seriously. This is a really, really cool thing. It blew my mind when I saw what this does because it's so awesome. And I absolutely love this. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.